Hello, today I'm making the easiest eggplant salad. For that salad I need eggplants. I have here the smaller size for eggplants. Eggplants should be as close to black color as possible. And wash them and do not remove the stem. Leave them as it is. 1 bunch of cilantro, 4 large spring onions, 1 per eggplant. If you have a large eggplant, if you buy, then use 2 spring onions per large eggplant. Here I have the smaller ones, so I'm using 1 spring onion per eggplant. And garlic. Amount of garlic is very optional. I just like a lot of garlic, but you can use it less. So like 1 clove per eggplant, or 2 cloves per eggplant, but garlic should be here definitely, and the salt, of course. Why it is the easiest eggplant salad, and I consider it to be the healthiest also, because eggplants will be baked in the oven. For that I just poke the skin, because eggplants have tendency to blow in the oven. To prevent them blowing and in the oven, just poke them with a knife in a few spots and place them with this poked side up on the rack, covered with the foil. And after they are baked, you just toss this foil. Different eggplants actually take different cooking time. These ones I assume will take 30-40 minutes. But still I will check the stem part of the eggplant. When knife will go easily without any resistance into this part of the eggplant is ready. It will be ready, because this part of the eggplant takes the longest to cook. So now it goes directly into the oven. While eggplants are baking, are in the oven, I'm going to prepare vegetables and put them all in this dish. So chop spring onions, cilantro, and press garlic through the garlic press. So everything is fresh. Only eggplants are cooked, not baked in the oven. Done with the garlic. So eggplants were baking about 40 minutes. Actually it took, I checked the stem part, the part of the eggplant closer to the stem, and it is very soft, and they are wrinkled. They're completely done. I cooled them down a little bit, but they are still warm. And be careful opening them. So now how I'm going to add eggplant inside. Eggplant directly into my dish. How I'm doing it. So I'm running the knife through one side of the skin. It is still quite hot, and I'm going to spoon out all eggplant into this dish. Done. So I'm not going to use the skin. This salad is delicious warm and cold, room temperature I mean. I don't like it very much from the refrigerator, but room temperature is wonderful. You can even peel one side, just like that, and spoon it out that way as well. So any way you like. Now all I have to do is just add the salt. I can even cut it a little bit. Now salt, a little bit to taste. Mix it well and let it sit for about 10 minutes and then serve it. Make sure you mix it well so that all ingredients are distributed evenly. You can serve it with your favorite toast, with your favorite bread. You can serve it with fresh tomatoes. You can make a sandwich with the cheese and add this salad to it. So there are many different ways of serving this delicious and easy to make, really easy to make salad. The preparation time takes probably 5 minutes. I'm serving it today with the fresh tomatoes and a slice of my favorite bread. Thank you for watching. Bye.